A nice weekend to you, comrades. Today we are going to have a special meal on how to start your writing journey on medium.com. Medium is YouTube for writers, and there is a whole lot of opportunities there. And to be specific, in this Medium course, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Medium account, how to start writing on Medium and use its writing toolkit, and reveal Medium's secret extension for keyword research. And we shall also look at how to join publications for faster growth, that is illuminations and about me stories. Let's get started. We shall begin with creating a Medium account, and I will straight away use incognito tab since I already have an existing Medium account. Type medium.com, hit enter, and you land on this home page. You may first take a tour to read through, and once you get a glimpse of what Medium is, head on this option and click on get started. You can join Medium using your Google account, Facebook account, or sign up with email. So let me sign up with a new email. Check your email inbox, then click on this option of create your account. Then you will be required to enter the password of your email. You will be taken to this page, almost there. Now enter your full name, then click on create account. What are you interested in? Medium wants to build your home feed based on your interests. So this means select topics which you could be interested in to read about in the future on Medium. You can choose 3 or more. So let me choose writing, then cryptocurrency, money, artificial intelligence, entrepreneurship, deep learning, and marketing. Once you are done, then click on continue. Now we are here, support great writing and access all stories on Medium. What this essentially means, you can be a paid member or a non-member on Medium. And the difference is that paid members are able to read all stories on Medium, unlike non-members who are restricted on some of the stories to read. There are articles with paid URLs and those without. Like I said, Medium, just like YouTube, also has a partner program where authors or publishers of Medium stories make some money when their stories or articles are read. But to earn from this, you must be a paid member yourself. Medium partner program is available in various countries, and there are more opportunities to leverage on, like affiliate marketing, among others. If you do not want to be a paid member, scroll down and click on or continue with a free account. Alright, the account is created, and now you can customize your profile. And to do that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on profile once again here. You can see the profile page you need to work on, and then click on edit profile here. Click on update to upload your profile photo. Let me get one from my file folders. And by the way, you can either take a selfie of yourself or design it from canva.com for free. The name is already here or there, so it is advisable you use your real names on Medium because it is a platform based on real facts, stories or storytelling. Once you are done, add pronouns like he or him for males and vice versa. Then in less than 160 words, write your short bio. Like for example, I can say it's all about finance, content creation, crypto, and CPA offers. Once you are done, click on save. If you want to know if your country is eligible for Medium Partner Program MPP, in your settings section, click on Partner Program. You will be redirected to this page of Medium Partner Program. Click on Apply Now. Okay? Thanks for your interest in joining Medium's Partner Program. Now click on this Select Country option. You will see a list of many countries. Try typing or searching for the name of your country. If it appears, that means it is eligible. If it doesn't appear, then it isn't eligible. If you want to access your Medium page or account in the future, you can search for medium.com/ at your username, which is also displayed in your profile section. For example, I can search for medium.com/ at mindset yields. That's me, and you are able to access your page. The second step is how to start writing on Medium and use its toolkits. at the top right corner, you can see the pen icon that says write. Click on it. So you will land here, and this is the title, this capital T, I-T-L-E. And this is where you can write your title as you begin your article or your story on Medium. So let me just write here like how to start your writing journey. How to start your writing journey. Okay, so for example, this is your title. Here it can be your subtitle. It is optional, however, it is very important as something that is aligned or aligning or going together with your title. So for example, here I can say master how to make money writing. Master how to make money writing. You can see, then you can hit enter, highlight this one, and you'll see this one popping up. This is what I was calling Medium Writing Toolkit. So here this small t is our subtitle, right? And if I can highlight this one above, you can see, let me show you, let me highlight it very well. You can see that this is highlighted is the capital T. So this is the title, this is the subtitle, right? So once I click on enter, you can see this plus icon. And if I click on this plus icon, you are going to see how you can be adding an image, you can add a video, you can embed any link from any other website, right? So let me just click there. You can see these options are going to pop up. The first option is where you can upload your image saved in your files, and the second is to use or upload and splash images. The third option allows you to add a YouTube video link. The fourth is where you can embed any other website like from Twitter. The fifth option allows you to embed a code, but I have never used this option. And the last one allows you to add a break in your writing. Let me begin with the first option. I upload the image from my folder. Actually, this is my YouTube thumbnail. You can see it is uploaded. To delete it, tap on it and hit delete. The second option of using Unsplash in the search bar, type a keyword of your choice like writing online. Hit enter and you can choose from all these images the one that fits your keyword. I hope that's understood. Then the next one is to add a YouTube video link there. Let me get it from YouTube. In fact, let me use my video link. I'll copy the link here from the search bar and come back here to paste it. Then hit enter. You can as well add the captions here, for example, best and cheap delivery payment methods. From here, you can continue writing. If you have been looking for a way to make money online easily and faster, writing can be your best option. If you want to embed an affiliate link, highlight and click on the link icon from this pop-up menu. Right-click and paste the link. Then click anywhere besides that, and it is already added. And to remove the affiliate link, highlight again and click on the link icon. If you want to change the text into italic, the option is here, and you can as well bold the text, change it to subtitle, and play around with the toolkit as you like. I already have a draft article, so let me copy and use it for illustration. Highlight and copy this, paste it here. The first tip is to make sure your text is not condensed. Create spaces so that the article is friendly to read. Highlight this text and click this icon that looks like opening quotes. And you can see how the highlight looks amazing. This is used if you want to bring a certain point to attention to your readers. Add a break in your story. Hit enter and click on this plus icon and select the last option here. I mean these dots. If you want this sentence to begin with capital bold letter, highlight the beginning sentence and click on this symbol with capital T. Can you see? Wow! If you have affiliate links in the article, it is advisable to disclose them like disclosure. There are affiliate links in this article. Clicking on them will take you to a different website page, and taking action may earn me a commission at no extra cost to you, and you will have done a whole lot to support my work. As simple as that. You can as well add the pearl highlight by clicking on the other quotes icon twice, and you can realize how special the text has been placed in the middle of paragraphs. Once you are done, at the top right corner, click on publish and add relevant tags, up to 5 of them. Type 1 like money and select from the pop-up options. Usually I go with the tag with lots of volume in brackets, as it shows those who have written about that topic. I will add writing, then writing tips, make money online, and lastly medium. Hit publish now, although there is an option to schedule your story to be published in the future, but let me publish it now and your story or article will go live. Third part is the secret Medium extension for keyword research that is going to help you with stats about all facts on Medium stories and how they are performing. To get this extension, search for mediumstats.com, hit enter, and this is how the extension homepage looks like. Now as for me, I have it already. That's why you can see here it is showing remove from Chrome. Let me first remove it and I will add it again. And to do that, click on its icon up here and you will see the option to remove it down here. Now you can see it shows add to Chrome, and that's what you will see as well. Click on it and this window will pop up asking you to add extension. Click on add extension. In a few seconds it will be added. Once it is added, you want to click on this extension icon and make sure it's pinned by tapping on this pin icon to turn it blue. Now this is how it looks like on your Medium homepage, and previously without this extension you could only see or know the stories, clubs, comments, followers, and those the writer is following. But this time, in addition to that, you can see the number of reads and views the story has gained, which is critical in gauging which story is performing well, so that you can replicate or draw inspiration from such story, title, and the like. You can search different topics and the extension will show you how they are performing. Let me try to search for make money online. You can see all those stories with the keyword phrase make money online are getting minimal reads. Only one actually, you see. So this is how it can be helping you to know how stories or titles are performing on Medium, so that you can draw inspiration and do the needful. All right, the last part now is how to join publications. But what are publications and why join them? Medium publications are collections of articles organized around specific themes or topics, managed by editors. They offer writers a platform to reach a wider or a broader audience by tapping into the publication's existing readership. So joining them can increase your visibility, provide editorial support, and enhance credibility, making it easier to grow your audience, especially for beginners, and engage with like-minded readers. There are many ways to join these publications, but for the case of this tutorial, I have two common publications that are easier to join, and those are Illumination and About Me stories. So I will straight away go to the search bar, type Illumination and hit search. A lot of Illumination publications, but I'm interested in this first one. Click on this first Illumination publication, then go to inquiries. You'll be taken to another page like an article kind of. So scroll down, you'll find this form to fill, like which includes actually your name, provide your email address, then the Medium ID, which is your username, then fill in this last part, that is I would like to join Illumination publication, showcase my voice online via writing. And once you're done, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Right? Within a few seconds, you can see the form has been successfully submitted. Again, search for About Me Stories publication. click on the publication, then on submit, this option on the left, and then click on this page on the right that says start here. Introduce yourself to everyone on Medium. Scroll down, you will find this form that says about me stories, new writer request form. Fill out the form below to proceed, and then click on next. Follow the instructions to answer the questions, like your Medium username, this time only username, not ID, which does not be medium.com. Then enter your email address, then click on next. Does your headline match the submission guideline? See picture above, for example. That is another question. Just say yes. That is what I'm choosing. There are 7 questions. Go through them carefully and respond accordingly. Then on question 5, they require you to be having a draft story about you. I mean a story that is not yet published, and submit its link. Since I don't have one, let me write it briefly. Then I will copy the draft article link and share it. The last question is asking for how long you have been on Medium and how you found out the publication, which are all very easy to answer. Once you are done, click on submit and you are good to go. All you have to do after submission is to wait for a feedback, and once approved, such applications will be listed below the publish button we saw earlier when we were publishing the article. Congratulations for watching this far. That means you are more than serious to earn a living online, and I can't wait to see you write your first article. If you found value in this video, kindly smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Otherwise, peace be with you.